In this video, you'll learn how to manage the emails you receive. When you get a new email from someone, it will appear at the top of your inbox. The email you just sent to yourself in the previous video should be in your inbox. You will see the person or company that sent the email and the subject line, along with the date or time the email was sent. If you haven't opened the email yet, these words will be in bold text. To open and read an email, click on it. Now you can reply. The reply icon is located on the upper right corner of an email, and it looks like an arrow pointing to the left. Click on it. You will see a blinking cursor where you can type in a reply to the email you received. When your reply is complete, click Send. If this email was received by a group of people and you want everyone to receive your reply, you can use Reply All. Then, click Reply All, which looks like two arrows pointing to the left. You will notice that the email addresses of everyone on the list will appear in your To field. Now it's your turn. Click on your new email to open it. Click Reply. Type your message and click Send. Then, click Next to watch the next video.